Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your home Wi-Fi experience to the next level, the TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. We found this product online and added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the TP-Link Deco X55? This is a next-generation Wi-Fi 6 mesh system designed to eliminate those pesky dead zones in your home, offering seamless connectivity across your entire space. With coverage of up to 2,500 square feet from just one unit, it's an ideal solution for anyone looking to upgrade their wireless network. The Deco X55 is not only a mesh system but can also function as a standalone Wi-Fi router, making it a versatile addition to your home networking setup. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Deco X55. First up, it harnesses the power of Wi-Fi 6, boasting speeds of up to 2,402 megabits per second for 5 GHz and 574 megabits per second for 2.4 GHz. This means you can stream, game, and browse the internet all at lightning-fast speeds without interruptions. The mesh design ensures that multiple units can work together, providing a robust network that outperforms traditional routers and range extenders. Another vital feature is the cybersecurity commitment from TP-Link. The Deco X55 is built with security as a core requirement, and TP-Link is a signatory of the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's Secure by Design pledge. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your network is secure against potential threats. If you're someone who has a lot of devices connected to your network, you'll appreciate the 3 gigabit Ethernet ports on each Deco unit. This allows for wired connections, which can be especially beneficial for devices that require stable connections, like gaming consoles or smart TVs. Plus, the Deco X55 supports wired Ethernet backhaul, ensuring optimal speeds and performance. So, who is this product suitable for? The Deco X55 is perfect for households with multiple users, especially those who rely heavily on streaming services, online gaming, or work-from-home setups. If you have a larger home or one with multiple floors, this mesh system can help eliminate those frustrating dead zones where Wi-Fi signals tend to drop off. In practical terms, imagine setting up a home office in the basement while the router is upstairs. With the Deco X55, you can enjoy a reliable and fast connection without having to move your equipment closer to the router. Additionally, families with children will find the parental controls feature incredibly useful, allowing you to manage internet access for different devices and set usage limits. Setting up the Deco X55 is a breeze, thanks to the Deco app, which guides you through the network setup process in just a few minutes. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find the interface intuitive and user-friendly. The app also allows you to monitor your network remotely, giving you control over your home Wi-Fi even when you're not there. In summary, the TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is a powerful and versatile solution for anyone looking to enhance their home networking experience. With its next-gen speeds, extensive coverage, and robust security features, it's a solid choice for families, gamers, and remote workers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.